companies working together to build this bridge. Ang dakong rason nganong i-build ang CCLEX kay ang pagpaluag sa traffic sa Metro Cebu. This will allow people to travel to and from Mactan, Cordoba area to Cebu mainland without passing through Mandaue City. Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway or CCLEX will span a total of 8.5 kilometers. This bridge will link mainland Cebu via Cebu South Coastal Road to the municipality of Cordoba in Barangay Pilipo, providing 2 lanes in each direction with a 51-meter navigational clearance for ships that will pass through Mactan Channel. With a design speed of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, the CCLEX is expected to serve at least 50,000 vehicles daily. With its 10-lane toll plaza, it has on and off ramps from the main bridge going to SRP and a viaduct that levels down to a causeway in Cordoba. The total cost of this ambitious project is 30 billion pesos. Mga igsoon, the builders of this very ambitious CCLEX bridge promise that they will provide the ultimate expressway experience to Cebuanos. Motorists can expect well-maintained roads, patrol personnel that will provide road assistance, and a host of other services to ensure safe and convenient travel.
If you like my video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button.
Mga igsoon, ang CCLX kay miagi di ay kini siya og usa ka wind tunnel analysis, isa ka klase nga test nga musukod sa kalig-unon sa tulay. Naay gitawag nga cross-hole sonic logging, a process that tests the structural integrity of concrete, was conducted on the foundation of CCLEX. So angay ka nato ning ikapasigarbo mga igsoon nga kaning gitap nila nga architectural firm COWIAS dunay ubay-ubay nga mga eksperyensya sa ubang mga nasod susama sa Hong Kong, South Korea, Turkey ug uban pa sa mga paghimo sa mga suspension bridge ug mga cable stayed bridge.